The presidential primary is not the only important race on the ballot next Tuesday. News 8's Madeline O'Neill tells us what we need to know before voting in Wisconsin's judicial election.
Lisa, Governor Walker appointed incumbent Justice Rebecca Bradley in October to fill a vacant seat on the state's Supreme Court. But she has yet to face a challenger for her position in a general election. That changes next Tuesday when she and Joanne Kloppenberg are on the ballot for a 10-year seat on the court. The biggest race on the ballots next Tuesday, according to La Crosse County Circuit Court Judge Ramona Gonzalez, is the next Wisconsin Supreme Court Justice.
The governor has made his choice. He's appointed the current justice, and it's really time for the people of Wisconsin to speak. Because if they don't speak up now, it is almost forever hold your peace.
When choosing between incumbent Rebecca Bradley and Joanne Kloppenberg, attorney Cheryl Gill says voters should be looking at experience and what she calls judicial temperance.
We want judges who are willing to accept the facts and look at the law and see if there's an error that needs to be corrected and how it should be corrected, without a lot of decision-making based on their own emotions.
She says although judges should technically be nonpartisan, the choice voters make can sway the political leaning of the court.
It's basically a choice between a right-of-center person and a left-of-center person.
And while Gonzalez says you can't keep politics out of it altogether, it should not be a main criteria in making a decision.
The law is to look at what the facts are, to see what the law is, and to apply that facts to those laws, and to make decisions that are valuable for the entire state of Wisconsin, and not just for Democrats or for Republicans.
Both say voters should do their homework.
Look at the background of some of these things that are cited in the ads by both of them, okay? Because there's a lot of half-truths.
And every vote counts.
You wake up on April 6th and you don't like the results, then if you didn't vote, then you really have nothing to complain about.
When speaking to Attorney Gill today, she said one way the Wisconsin Supreme Court is important is they set precedents for lower courts. So while they don't write laws, they do have a lot of influence over them.
What kind of issues do they expect the Wisconsin Supreme Court to be taking up?
Right, well, Gill mentioned the court would likely take up things involving workplace safety. So the elected justice, along with the court, will have a lot of say in the future of a lot of state issues.
All right, well, thank you so much. We appreciate it.